Hi, this is Uday. In this presentation, I will describe briefly the role of application servers in an enterprise system and what are some of their benefits. This figure illustrates an example model of an enterprise system and is called a three-tier model because of the existence of the three layers of data layer, application layer, and the user layer. As you can see, the application server resides in the application layer and it separates the data layer from the user layer. Oftentimes in the real world, we have internet in between the application layer and the user layer, and so such a model is called the n-tier architecture. As can be seen from the previous slide, the function of an application server is to provide the middle layer of an n-tiered architecture of the enterprise system. It is to isolate the business layer from the data layer and keep the client layer isolated from the database layer as well. Another of its main function is to execute the business logic and also to provide automated connectivity to the database layer. In this slide, some of the advantages of application server would be discussed. Since the business logic is centralized in the application server, the process of application management becomes much easier. Also, since the data layer is isolated from the application layer, the data security and integrity is enhanced. The changes to server settings, database connection settings, application settings, and system settings is much easier because all the above configuration changes are done at the application server. Imagine the scope of the change involved if the application layer was absent and we were to make database connection setting changes at the workstation level, where the application would then have resided. Use of application servers enables allocation of server assets based on volume of network traffic. This usually results in improved system performance. Application servers automate several tasks that would otherwise have to be provided for in a two-layer architecture. This reduces the complexity of the application to be developed and also results in shorter turnaround time between planning and implementation of the application. Thanks for watching.